Are you trying to lose weight? There are many things that help weight loss besides diet and exercising once in a while. It needs proper planning and a lot of determination. Here are a few healthy drinks that could give you a boost on your weight loss journey. Before continuing the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Start your day with lemon water. Lemon water is an excellent drink for weight loss. Lemon juice helps your body get the nutrients it needs to burn fat into energy and stop weight gain. Make sure to keep drinking lemon juice even after you lose weight, to keep your no weight. Drink apple cider vinegar. The key fat-busting ingredient in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid. Because apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, it's good for losing weight. Acetic acid stops body fat from building up. Apple cider vinegar also helps your body take in nutrients from the food you eat, treats digestive issues, and fights infections. Replace your regular tea with green tea. Green teas have two major ingredients that aid in fat burning: caffeine and antioxidants. Caffeine is a stimulant known to increase calorie expenditure and to improve performance during exercise. A cup of green tea contains 24 to 40 milligrams of caffeine. Green tea also contains a powerful antioxidant called epigallocatechinolate, another metabolism booster, which can help break down fat in the body. Protein shakes. If you really want to feel full, try dumping some protein powder in your morning shakes. Protein is a macronutrient that keeps your stomach feeling satisfied. It reduces hunger sensations, and decreases ghrelin, a hormone that controls your appetite. But make sure to read the labels so you're not consuming a product that has too much sugar or any harmful ingredients. Weight loss drinks are wonderful because of their powerful abilities to kickstart the metabolism in your body. As a result, the number of fat cells will reduce, allowing you to shed the extra weight. Have tried it already? Comment your experience with us.